how to log in to My BC Education. So if you want to log into My BC Education, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and you can search for My Education BC Login. Once you've searched, here you will have My Education BC on the first search. You can simply go for the logon, which is on the middle of your screen. Click on login. And once you click on login, here it will take you to your BC University login page. So BC simply means British Columbia. So if you want to log into that, then first you need to enter your BC login ID. And once you enter your login ID, you need to enter your password. And once you enter your login ID, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for I forgot my password, which is here on the bottom right side of the blank. You need to simply go for that so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then enter it. And you can simply go for a logon so that you can log into your account under My Education BC, which is British Columbia. So that's it. That's how you log into your BC Education. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.